the safest way. Before you jump into the blue, listen to these rules for you. Always swim with the grown-up near. They will help and calm your fear. Wear your floaties snug and tight to help you float with all your might. Walk your feet, no running fast. Make the happy moments last. Slippery sides enough for play. Walk around the proper way. If you're tired, take a break for your own and safety's sake. Splish and splash, the sun so bright when we play and do it right.